guys, so today we are going to be learning how to blend something like this onto a canvas. So first we're going to select a blank piece of canvas, and it doesn't matter what size you guys want it to be, but I'm going to make it like this so I can be able to see when I blend properly. So first we're going to pick what color we want to be using, and I'm going to be using pink this time, and I'm going to choose my airbrushing tool for my soft blend, and for my blending I'm going to be using the same brush with my soft blend. So you pick your brush, and then we're going to start off with our darkest color. So you guys just pick from anywhere around that section there, and you just begin to paint. Sometimes I usually try to make it as straight as I possibly can, but that doesn't always work. But I always find it might be a lot easier when I want to blend later on. Next we're going to go with our color that is lighter than the first section, so we're just going to keep trying to blend up straight, and then next I will pick another lighter version of the color. Sometimes you guys can, if you guys want to see more of the same color in the middle, you can just always add it on. Even the dark color, I always usually go over my colors again just to make sure that I get the variant that I want to get. And then I'm going to use my lighter color now. But I want to use a color that is in between my light pink and my really light pink. So I'm going to choose a color that is right there in the middle. And there we go, I have that color. So I'm just going to go in the middle between each section and do that again. And now it's time for me to blend. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my paint, and I'm going to blend from downwards, not from the top. And I'm going to try blending horizontally and also try blending swiftly. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the size of my brush and make sure my opacity is at the highest as well, and I'm just going to start blending. Now guys, the brush is quite big enough, so I wouldn't really have to make sure I start all the way from the bottom because it's that big. And always remember, blend from the bottom to the top, and you can always go back and forth. So I blend from bottom and I go all the way to the top, and I go all the way from the top to the bottom again, and I just repeat that until I get the results that I want. So I always try to reduce the size of my canvas because I found out that it allows me to see if there are any more streaks left. So reducing the size of my canvas, I can easily spot if some sections aren't blended in properly, so I keep going over it again until it's done. A quick tip I would say is to make sure you try to reduce the size of your canvas, because it allows you to see how it really looks like from far, and for you it's easy for you to spot any more streaks left, and you can go over it again if you always want to. So guys, remember I use my soft blend brush, which I prefer to my medium blend brush because using my medium blend is usually harsher and it always leaves streaks after I'm done blending, but the soft blend literally airbrushes the entire painting and it gives you the quality that you want. So if you guys are really looking for a smooth blending process, always use your soft blend brush. Wow, so this is the final product and I'm really happy with how it came out. And if you guys would love to blend something like this it is free and the brush comes with the Procreate app, so you guys don't actually have to go out to buy it. Remember, it is in the airbrushing tool and is the same for your blending tool as well, the soft blend, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So guys, that will be all for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys want to see any more tips on how to do some things on Procreate. I will always get back to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.